Divorce lawyers, what is the most ridiculous reason your client filed for divorce? I had two couples come to me who had been friends for nearly 15 years. Husband A decided he liked wife B more than wife A. Wife A decided she liked husband B more than husband A. The reverse was also true, with husband B preferring wife A and wife B preferring husband A. The couples had nearly identical assets in terms of value. They came to me together, and I drafted two sets of paperwork. Two default judgment hearings were set on the same day. The judge signed all the papers that same day. A week later, they all went to a JP and remarried. The husbands swapped houses, and they all went about their lives exactly as they had the week before, but each slightly happier.